Do you wonder why your file sizes are so big? Duplicating the background layer and editing doubles your file size. In this video, I'll show you how to create a healing layer action that will include the healing tool. This approach is non-destructive and certainly does not double your file size. First step is to create the healing tool preset. Select the healing tool. Make sure the healing tool is set to current and below for layers. You can see here I've already saved a 2020 healing tool preset, and these are the settings. Why I have included the healing tool in this action is because it saves time. You don't have to stop and select it every time. So to save the healing tool preset, come up into the little panel here and click on the plus sign, name that tool preset that you have created. Now we're going to create the action, but first of all, make sure you select off that healing tool because we want to select it when we are recording. So if you can't see the actions panel, come up to the Windows action and we're going to create a new action. Hit on the plus sign and name that action healing layer and hit record. Over in the layers panel, now hit on the little plus sign, add the new layer and name that layer healing layer. Right click on the eye and select a color. I've selected red. So when you're editing, you can see that that red is going to be your healing layer. Now make sure you select the healing tool, then the actual preset you saved, and that's it. Stop recording. Now we're going to delete that layer that we created and just check that the action works. Press play and it should work beautifully, and you are now ready to start editing.